What up, MPC fam? I got something for y'all today. I got a industry secret, a YouTube producer secret that I want to tell you guys about. So I work with a lot of young producers, and they usually have a problem with cohesion, like bringing stuff together. I would like to show y'all this little secret of mine to help bring cohesion to your drums. There's a little trick or technique, as they call it, to get cohesion with the drum. So before we start, if you can, just to spread awareness, give your boy a like, comment, or subscribe. It's your choice. I won't be mad. Let's get into it. Check out this drum loop. To the untrained ear, maybe that sounds good to you, but it feels like it's missing something. There's something missing. And then that's where room tones come in. I have like a whole collection of room tones. Maybe I'll drop one. Maybe I'll drop one in the next video. Depending on how many people like this video, I'll drop my room tones. I'll create a few and just put it in the pack for y'all to start putting in your book. So this is my room tone. Essentially, where there's been an array of legendary drummers from the jazz era all the way to now. And that room just has like a vibe in it. Like it has a sound in it. So I had a session where I just tracked the rooms of like all the nice studios that I've ever been to, and I got a whole like little file on that stuff. So to get back on point, this is a room tone. So I got that beat right there. I'm gonna let you hear how the room tone sounds. I'm gonna solo it. Essentially, this is what a room tone is. Now this is the beat with the room tone. I mean, it's not gonna be real crazy because I haven't added like melody, bass line, or anything like that. But this is like the starting point to like merge all the sounds together for me in my experience to make it one complete palette. Now you might question me and say, now how does this work for all the songs that you do? Well, essentially room tone is just like any other instrument. You can just go to global and just change the semitone of the actual room tone. More than likely, I've given you guys a lot of, especially younger guys, especially a lot of the younger cats that's into hip hop, that's into MPCs, sampling. This is now a new tool for you to use. Room tones. Go to your favorite studios. There's some studio in your vicinity that has a great room sound, and I would just go capture the room, especially if they're known for hip hop. If it has a certain sound, go capture that sound when you go to your next session or whatever, and just keep that sound and just see how it sounds when you incorporate it. I hope y'all learned something today. And if you did, make sure you like, comment, or subscribe. It don't matter which one. All three would be helpful, but it's your prerogative. So thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.